the ibadah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a kind of Jahiliyyah, Hamiyya or Jahiliyyah fanaticism. We are talking about this subject, dear brothers, in our series of talking about some diseases in the Muslim society. If we take the Muslim society as the Muslim society all over the world, do some Muslims have some kind of fanaticism, Jahiliyyah, Hamiyya for their own tribe or their own city, or their own country, or their own race, white race and other race? Unfortunately, perhaps this, unfortunately now in the Muslim countries or Arab countries, they will find people who have this fanaticism of Jahiliyyah and they don't know. Because he is in country, any country of Muslim countries, he is Mushinko Shatachi no Kokoro ni Jahiliyyah no Aijo, Jahiliyyah no Nixu Aida. Jahiliyyah kinawa Islam jidai no mai no jidai. Sono jidai ne guzo di le hashi te hinna shakai na te. So you Aijo. Sureni sei montete. يونيش محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم صحابة تتكتت وتدشينا سلوى الذين كفروا ومدى الذين كفروا وكفروا في هذا